Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson with Firkins Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram, and Mitsubishi of Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this beautiful 2017 Toyota IM. This is a nice hatchback, very nice appearance on it. This has dark interior, has power windows, power door locks, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, backup camera. Very nicely equipped. Does have the accident, that has a pre-collision system in it. As you can see, you do have seating for 5. And then also taking a look at the trunk area, very nice room, and it's also got like this little cover to go over it as well to cover any valuables that you may have. So to find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.